Oh, look at this. Long way Thomas has to go. This is the short way. Okay, then Thomas is gonna go. This cargo is waiting right here for Thomas. Thomas is gonna pick this cargo. Thomas is here to get the cargo, and you can see the cargo has lots of machinery on it. It's one of those cement mixture thing that can pour stuff. Gonna pour the machinery like cement mixture. Right, let's go ahead and see what happens here. You can see we forgot to do one thing, that is to that's cool, look at this. That's what happens. Oh, you can see that happens here. Oh, look at that. You wanna see one more time? Pay attention. Here. Here you can see for the last time, before we say bye, please make sure to subscribe, please check out channel, and if you like the playset, please don't forget to hit the like button, and look for Thomas and Friends Titans video by typing please check out Thomas. Please check out Thomas.